Hello everyone. I thought I should give you a little brief about solving the problem in shared activity. This is why I'm going to prepare this video. In your shared activity, actually you have to play the role of a consulting team. So your group, if you are in group A, then your group A members will be the team in the consultation team, and if you are in group B, the same thing. Okay, at first you have to read the information. Okay, so I'm not going to the information first. Let me summarize the required solution first. Okay, so if you look at the required solution, that means what information or what answer you have to give to the decision makers of the firm. The first one is you have to compute the unit sales price at which the company must sell its product in the current year in order to earn a budgeted target profit of 200,000. The second one is you have to calculate the value in response to the following. That means actually if you read this thing, ultimately what you have to do is you have to compute the number of units that must be sold at the former price to earn the 200,000 profit. Okay, and the third one is a bit different. Okay, in that case you have to predict. Okay, in the third one you have to predict the annual profit if the selling price is adopted, but the change in sales volume only amounts to a 10% increase. So these are the requirements. Now, how to solve this problem? My requirement is use any spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, or if you do not have Microsoft Excel, you may also use Google Sheets to solve the problem. I will suggest if you have the Excel, then Excel would be fine. So what are the steps? The first step should be modeling the income statement in the spreadsheet. So let me go back to the shared activity information and see what information has been given. You can see that the income statement for the year 2011 has been given, and you can see we have got the sales, cost of goods sold, gross margin, selling expense, administrative expense, and net profit of the last year. Okay, and you also got some more information. The budget committee has estimated like increase in the number of units, increase in the material cost, increase in the direct labor cost, the variable indirect cost, etc., indirect fixed cost, selling expense, administrative expense. Okay, and in the income statement you can see that the cost of goods sold is given, the total of cost of goods sold is given, not the breakdown of cost of goods sold, like the breakdown into direct labor or direct or material and so on. So these are not given, but you got the information that the direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing support was in the ratio of 3:1, 3:2:1, and some other information. So using this information, what you have to do, you have to reproduce the income statement of 2011 in the spreadsheet, and you have to link all the cell. You have to use the formula and functions so that if you change any amount, like if you change the cell, the profit will automatically change. Okay, so this is how you have to create the income statement model in the spreadsheet software. Okay, so in the spreadsheet software, probably you will have more input like unit price, or the sales volume in units. Okay, these things will be in different cells. So if you change those cells, that also result in the change of net profit. Okay, so that is the first step. Then the second step is you have to conduct a what if analysis. okay, using the spreadsheet software. It's very easy. In Microsoft Excel you can conduct the what if analysis very easily, and you can use the tool to find what is the required amount of a particular variable like unit sales price to achieve the target variable. Okay, so to achieve the target value in a particular cell, what should be the value in a particular cell? So that is the what if analysis. You will find that, for example, in Excel you will find that under data tab, okay, there is a tool. So you can use that tool, the what if analysis tool of the spreadsheet software, to find the unit sales price required for achieving the budgeted target profit. And you can do the same analysis for finding the unit sales volume required, okay, for achieving the budgeted target profit. Now the third requirement, as you have seen, you have to predict annual profit if the sales volume is a particular value. In that case, what you have to do, it is very simple. You don't have to do any what if analysis or any other tool. What you have to do is you have to use the spreadsheet model, and in the model you just change the value and automatically it will predict the annual profit. Okay, so these are the steps that I'm suggesting you to follow for conducting the analysis for the shared activities requirement in unit 2 of your module. I hope you will be successful in doing that. Thank you very much.